on the next trade in the group, the New Zealand yen. And again, I took this one on the 15-minute, I believe. This trade was in the New Zealand yen 15-minute chart. There's no sound entry here, but I entered this one based on the fact that the market was congruent in all the time frames on this one. And I also was seeing that in all the cross pair yen pairs that I was trading this morning, I had two up on at the time, were actually going that same direction. So I entered a small lot size on this one, but I went ahead anyway to watch it, and it immediately started to go my way on the next time bar, fluctuated a little bit, and then took off. So things went well. I ended up taking 19 pips on this one. This trade was taken on the Swiss yen. I entered on the 30-minute based on the criteria we looked for. We had a nice setup, 5-alarm trade, jumped in on it. Again, everything I did on this trade and all the previous trades mentioned on today's trading session were closed based on news coming up, and you can see it plateaued shortly thereafter. It did spike up a little bit because of the news. I could have probably got another few pips out of it. This one ended up giving me 15, almost 16 pips, and I could have gotten another 10 out of it. So I felt like I still captured a good part of that trend at the time it happened. Currently looking for re-entries on a lot of these that I took today for additional legs that are going to be possibly happening. And then the final trade was in the pound yen. This one here was almost an afterthought trade. Someone had pointed it out to me, and I looked at it earlier and then didn't take it, and then came back to it because someone else said, hey, you really need to look at this. My entry should have been down here, closer in this range. So I'm off maybe 5 pips, 10 pips at the most on the entry, but that was okay. It was still early enough in the game, and it went profitable right away. I didn't have to wait too long. I closed it with the rest of the trades based on the news again coming up, and I wanted to preserve my profits. The total for the day, the net total after my 1 4-pip loss, ended up being 82.5 pips. So I felt like today I had reached my target. My target's 50 a day is what I shoot for to ensure that I've made my minimums. So I surpassed it today, did well in regards to that. Happy with what happened. Hope you've enjoyed this recap, and we will talk to you later. Bye.